as you can see behind me is my chicken coop. The chickens are going nuts laying eggs these days. We have about 16 chickens. Actually, correct that. We got 18 chickens. We get about a dozen eggs a day. It's crazy. So the springtime really picks up with egg laying because they get a lot of sun, they get a lot of warmth. Of course, the sun is out more during the day because we have longer days. But yeah, we are spending a lot of our time gathering eggs, feeding them, so they eat a lot more when they lay eggs too. But today, for All Block, what I wanted us to focus on, and this is review, is the k sound at the end of a word. Whether we use K or CK to make the k sound at the end of a word. So you notice in chicken, we use CK to make the k sound. And for those of you that remember the rule about the k sound, is we always focus on the letter that comes just before the k sound. If you notice that this I, the sound that I makes in chicken is I, which is a short vowel sound. That's why we use CK. So CK is used after letters, or in words where the letter coming right before the k sound is a short vowel. I. Otherwise, all other words, if we have a long vowel or a consonant coming before the k sound, then we use just K. So an example of this would be in the word pink. So notice right before the k sound in pink, here's the k sound. We have N, which is a consonant, so we use K. So what I want you to do for today, is just spell 3 words. Okay, you can do this on the board that I provided you, the whiteboard, and take a picture of it, or you can upload a video of yourself spelling the word, or you can type it, however you want to do it, okay, and then upload it to Seesaw in response to this lesson. All right, so I want you to spell 3 words. I want you to spell the word sink. The chicken's feet sink in the mud when they try to walk through it. The second word is pecking. You can see the chickens pecking at one another when they get in each other's space. Pecking. Next word is shocked. I was shocked to find so many eggs today in the coop. Shocked. All right? Spell those words any way you can and show them to me any way you can on Seesaw. I'm going to have you be on your honor here. So spell them the best way you know how right away. And you can look it up afterwards for the correct spelling. So try it on your own first and then look it up, okay? It's okay to make mistakes here. I'm not judging, that is for sure. The second thing I want you guys to do today is we always do sentence writing. So we're going to, a little bit of review again, is how we use quotations in dialogue between one or more people, okay? So we're going to work on that today. So I want you guys to write a sentence that might be a conversation between 2 chickens. All right, so here I have my conversation here. The rooster asked another chicken, "Why did you cross the road?" ? So notice my punctuation in this sentence. All right, we have the rooster asked another chicken. Notice I didn't say stated or said because he's asking a question. So it should be that they're asking. All right. Secondly, notice where my comma is right here. It comes right after the word, right before the quotation. I put my first quotation mark right here. And then my quotation mark comes after the punctuation at the end of the sentence. And so, since this is a question, why did you cross the road? I end it with a question mark and quotations. If you guys have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them on Teams or over email. Please let me know if you have any questions. Again, I'd like you to respond using your whiteboards, or you can type it, or you can write on your whiteboards, take a picture of it, write on your whiteboards, take a video of yourself any way you can to upload this to Seesaw. All right? Good hanging out with you today. Have fun.